All right, good morning, everybody. Mr. Vincent here with a fantastic lesson called Bridges 1 through 5. Now, let's take a look here at today's activity. First thing is, we always have that writing assignment. Please make sure you get that done. Do not skip it. And then our assignment is actually in Teams, and it's called Bridge Assignment 1 through 5, and it's a PowerPoint. And you'll notice on the first slide of the PowerPoint, there's a spot for you to put your first truss bridge. Your first bridge, the one where you copied what I did and you made it as inexpensive as you could. And looks like right now I have mine down to $273,168.08. And let's test it just to make sure it works, because I know you don't believe me. But now you can see that that truck is going to pull up. It's going to carefully drive across this bridge, and it is going to exit the other side. Of course, if it were had more weight in it, maybe it wouldn't. But right now it is fit for purpose. Fit for purpose means that the truck can get across this bridge. It means that it was successful, that it did what it needed to do. Okay? So after you have this, you should have a green and white up arrow at the top that says status, and we are going to open up the snipping tool. This is what the snipping tool looks like. It is on your computer. Click that Windows button and then type snip, and you will be able to find it, S-N-I-P. And when we take our snip, it is so important that we include the price and that green and white up arrow so that we know that it was successful. I'm going to copy this and head on over to PowerPoint, because inside PowerPoint, I'm going to paste Control V, my bridge, into this spot right here. All right, now that this bridge is there, all is right with the world, and we can start working on bridge number 2. Bridge number 2. And this should take you today, and we are going to be making an arch abutment bridge that is fit for purpose. Again, an arch abutment bridge that works, that truck can drive across. And you'll see if you look here on the screen that it says support configuration arch abutment, and we have to set that up ourselves. So when we go back over into the Bridge Designer application, we're going to make a file, new design. We're going to click next 2 times, and we are going to change this setting to arch abutments. Once we have arch abutments selected, you may choose any height for the arch that you like. The bigger the number, the higher the arch, okay? You're welcome to even try different ones and see what works best. As you increase the height of the arch, you will notice that your actual cost of your bridge goes up. So here with a 4-meter abutment, it is an $80,000 setup. With a 24-meter abutment, it is an $89,000 setup. We're going to click next, next, finish, and now we've got our template here with the arch abutment. Now in this particular case, you do not have to do the bridge exactly the way that I am doing it. Instead, you are welcome to do it however you want. But this is how I'm going to set mine up, and I'm going to connect these pieces just like we've done before. I'm going to do that load test. Watch the truck go across. And just like always, we're going to then, after we're successful, go back to the drawing board, see which pieces we can change to save money. And it looks like none of them are really overly exerted at this particular setting, so I can then, do some substantial cost savings just by changing all of those pieces. But now it fails, and we can kind of see where it fails. It's that outer piece. It's kind of what I expected. We might even be able to just remove these pieces. Sometimes getting rid of them is all that we need to do. In this particular case, that's not true. I need to have those pieces in, so I'm going to go put them back. And maybe just those two, I'm going to significantly strengthen. So let's see if we take this one and we make those big pieces. Let's see if it'll hold, and it will. And so you're just going to go through and try to make this bridge as inexpensive as you can. Once you have finished that, when you get close to the end of the period, open back up that snipping tool, create a new snip, drag your whole bridge, including the price and the status, and put it into your PowerPoint for that bridge assignment 1 through 3. Right here, just paste it in. That's all you need to do. Bridge 1, Bridge 2, done. As always, Bengals, if you have questions, tag the problem, try yourself, acquire knowledge, and if all else fails, get up and go get help.